Hi everyone, welcome once again back to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's going to be a quick and easy one called Easy Peasy Jello Infused Cake. This idea has been around for a long time, but I'm going to show you how I make it. Kids absolutely love this recipe, and if you're in a hurry and you have company coming and you need a quick dessert, it's really good for that too. So stay with me and I'll show you how to make this. First, a little reminder that my cookbooks are available on Amazon. Not only is it homemade meals and appetizers made easy, but there's treasure chest of sweets now available. The recipes in these books are completely homemade and have a video that's linked with them on the channel Best Recipes with Sharon. And I have provided a quick link to Amazon in the description below this video. Okay, so let's get back to today's featured recipe. It's really a quick and easy one, and it is using a cake mix. It's not completely homemade, so I wanted to make you aware of that, but this is for those times when you are in a hurry. So I'm using a confetti Angel Food cake mix, and we'll get started with that and make it according to the package directions. So you can literally use any cake mix that you choose, so whatever flavor suits your fancy. I think when you're infusing Jello in it though, a lighter cake is best. So this is super quick and super easy, and that's the whole purpose of this video. It's about being super easy and something quick to make. Kids absolutely love it, and I thought, you know what, this is an idea I was going to do up when I was in a hurry one day, and I thought, oh, I'm just going to shoot a video and I'll show people how I do it, because I do it in a way that makes it fast, so that the Jello sets quick and you can do this up in no time. So you bake your cake according to the package directions, and then once it's cooled off, we're going to move forward with infusing it with some Jello. I chose to use 1 package of strawberry Jello. And we'll place 1 cup of boiling hot water into a mixing bowl, and we'll add the Jello to that and stir it until it's well dissolved. And so far that's pretty much normal, what you would normally do. But now I don't add the cold water, I add ice cubes. I probably added about 9 or 10 ice cubes. We stir that until the Jello starts to thicken. And you keep stirring until it cools down, or you add more ice cubes if you need to. And once it's starting to thicken up a little bit like this, you start removing the ice cubes fairly quickly, because now we want to put that into the cake as it's starting to gel. I use a sharp knife, and then I infuse the Jello in the slot that I've made with the knife. You can do this as often as you want, make as many slices as you want in the cake, however you want to do it, or you can just do it in simple holes. I find it easier to do the slices, but you do whatever you want. And like you can see, it was starting to gel there, so that's going to thicken up really quickly. Now I simply top it off with some whipped cream. In this case, it's not the real whipped cream, it's the Dream Whip that I'm using, and I used 2 packages, and then I made it up according to the package directions, with a little bit skimpy on the milk, just so that it would thicken up a little bit thicker than usual. And simply place that on top of your cake. Your cake doesn't have to be completely set to do this, so you can do that right away. And it doesn't matter how messy you were with your Jello either, because that's only going to be buried underneath the whipped cream anyway. And just to make it a little bit more special, I get a milk chocolate bar and I use shavings from it to cover the top. I do that with a potato peeler. And you make little curls. Chocolate curls on the top is good on everything. Anyways, and so this is no exception. Simple, easy, quick. I throw it in the freezer. So this is a compromise between going to the store and buying a cake or doing one homemade. This is something that you can have done in less than an hour. And it's cost effective. So I've just expanded on my idea of Jello infused cake, and I hope you enjoyed that. I thought I would just throw it into the video and let everybody reminisce about the times when they've had Jello infused cake and how they do it. So thanks for watching today's video, and until next time, happy eating!